North Korea on Saturday defended its recent flurry of missile tests as a legitimate defense against what it called US military threats. North Korea said on Saturday its missile tests are for self-defense against direct US military threats and they have not harmed the safety of neighboring countries and regions. North Korea carried out 6 missile launches in 12 days as of this week, including launching an intermediate-range missile over Japan on Tuesday, thereby prompting a call for people in affected areas underneath to take cover. The International Civil Aviation Organization, holding its annual assembly in Montreal on Friday, condemned North Korea's missile tests of recent months and called them a danger to civil aviation. Responding to the criticism, North Korea's Civil Aviation Agency in a statement said, the missile test launched by the DPRK is a regular and planned self-defensive step for defending the country's security and the regional peace from the US direct military threats that have lasted for more than half a century. North Korea considers this resolution passed by the ICAO as a political provocation of the US and its vassal forces aimed to infringe upon the sovereignty of the DPRK, the acronym for North Korea's official name. Seoul, Tokyo, and Washington have revamped up joint military drills in recent weeks and carried out more exercises on Thursday involving a US Navy destroyer from the USS Ronald Reagan aircraft carrier strike group. The launches are part of a record year of weapons tests by isolated North Korea, which leader Kim Jong-un has declared an irreversible nuclear power, effectively ending the possibility of denuclearization talks. Analysts say that Pyongyang has seized the opportunity of stalemate at the United Nations to conduct ever more provocative weapon tests. The United States and South Korea held joint maritime exercises on Friday, a day after Seoul scrambled fighter jets in reaction to an apparent North Korean bombing drill. The United States also announced new sanctions on Friday in response to North Korea's latest missile launches.